Welcome back, children. Today we study about pH value. What is pH? pH means power of hydrogen ion present in the solution or hydronium ion. pH means power of hydrogen ion. Okay, one formula is there to find the pH. Negative logarithm of concentration. This shows concentration. Okay, this box shows concentration of hydrogen to the base 10. Okay, suppose you are given concentration value is given. Suppose, for example, concentration of hydrogen ion is 10 power minus 2. It is given. So how do you find out the power of hydrogen? pH equal to negative logarithm of, what is the concentration of hydrogen? 10 power minus 2. Okay, one formula is there in logarithm. Log 10 to the power, if it is there, this power comes front, equal to minus 2 log 10 to the base 10. This value is equal to 1. So minus 2 into 1 equal to minus 2. Understood? Here you are having minus already. So this term you bring it front. So minus 2. This is a formula. Log 10 to the base 10. What is the value of this? 1. So minus into minus plus 2 into 1 equal to 2. So pH of the given solution is 2. This is a way, if concentration of hydrogen is given, you have to find the pH value. You have to follow this way. It is not in the syllabus, but you keep in mind. If power of hydrogen ion is given, concentration of hydrogen ion is given, this is the way to find the pH of the solution. Okay. Now, come to our topic. pH means power of hydrogen. Our topic, one universal indicator is there. The indicator helps us to identify the power of hydrogen. How? The universal indicator is yellow in color. On paper, look like a paper we do in lab. It is of yellow in color. If you put in the solution, depending upon a hydrogen ion, the color changes. If there is more number of hydrogen ion, it will change into pink color. Universal indicator, which is yellow in color, change into pink. If the hydrogen ion is very less in your solution, the universal indicator change into blue, deep blue color. Understood? Universal indicator. This universal indicator is a paper, kind of paper. With the help of this paper, this indicator, we can find the type of solution or power of solution. Power of hydrogen ion in the solution. If the hydrogen ion is more, this yellow color, this color is yellow. Yellow color paper change into pink. If more ion means dark pink, less, some more less ion means less hydrogen ion means light pink. Okay, if the hydrogen ion and OH ion equal means yellow, it remain yellow. Neutral, it remain yellow. If the hydrogen ion is very less, that means OH ion is more, then it shows pink color. It changes into blue color. If the OH ion is more, universal indicator change into blue. If hydrogen ion is more, changes into yellow. This is a universal indicator which is yellow in color, which changes blue in OH, which changes yellow in, which changes pink in hydrogen ion. Okay? If the solution has more hydrogen ion, the yellow color change into pink. If the solution is more OH ion, the yellow color paper change into blue. Understood? So, here I am going to draw one scale. The pH value ranges from 0 to 14. pH scale ranges from 0 to 0 to 14. If it is 7, it is neutral. Water and all neutral, isn't it? Why it is neutral? Number of hydrogen ion and OH ion. Sorry, number of hydrogen ion and OH ion are equal. Amount of hydrogen ion, amount of OH ions are equal in water. That is what the solution is neutral. The pH paper is yellow. In water also the paper remain yellow in color. Understand? If it is 0, that means more number of hydrogen ion. The pH shows, reading shows 0. That means more number of hydrogen ion present in the solution. The paper change into pink. The yellow color paper change into pink. Here, if it is OH, more number of OH, that means less number of hydrogen ion. The reading shows 14. pH value shows 14. The paper changes into blue. Okay. Now tell me, who is more acidic? 1 or 6? pH value 1, pH value 6. Between these two, who is more acidic? This is more acidic. pH value 1 is more acidic. Understand? This way you remember. Okay. 0 is the highest acidic nature. 14 is the highest basic nature or alkali nature. Don't forget, 0 is the highest acidic, whereas 14 is the highest basic nature. Understood? So the reading 6 to 0 is the acid. The pH reading shows 8 to 14, it is a alkali or base. Understand? Less the pH, more the acidic. Less the pH, more the acidic. Understood? Less the pH, more the acidic. But here remember, if the pH is 1, do you feel OH also present? Yes, OH ion also present. But whose amount is more? Hydrogen ion amount is more. That's what it is acidic. Do you feel at pH 14 has hydrogen ion? Yes. But hydrogen ion is less. OH ion is more. That's a strong alkaline or strong basic nature. This is the way you will find the pH scale. We are going to give one solution. We are going to put the paper and taking out the paper. Depending upon the color changes, you come to know the power of hydrogen present in the solution. If the paper changes into red, it is acid. If the paper changes into blue, it is a base. Understood? You can identify. We will do in lab. Okay. The next topic is, one question is there. What will be the pH? What will be the pH? What will happen to pH after eating meal? What will happen? Imagine, our stomach secrete hydrochloric acid. If you eat more food, the secretion of acid will be more. For what? For digesting the food. One digestive juice is produced, secreted in our stomach. Wall of the stomach secrete hydrochloric acid. For what? To digest the food. So after eating food, what happened? The secretion will be more. So what about pH scale will be? It will be increase or decrease? More acid, no? So pH value will be decreased. I told you, as pH value decreases, acidity increases. That means hydrogen ion increases. This word remember. More the hydrogen ion, less the pH value. pH value. Okay, this word remember. More the pH ion, less the pH value. So pH value will be decreased or not after eating food. Stomach is secreting HCl, so more the acid. So pH value will be less. Understood? Next we are going to study the uses of pH. What is pH? Power of hydrogen ion. First use is our body. See here, our body functions, our pH under pH value 7 to 7.8. This range our body is functioning. Okay, beyond that if it goes, we cannot survive. So, and you know that to find out the reading pH value, it is used. pH value and some other measurement is there, scale is there, meter is there, through which we can find the pH of the any body or blood or whatever else. And soil, some soil needs more acid or some soil needs more base. For example, rice plant and all the citric fruits, citric fruit, who are they? Sour taste, lemon, these all plants needs acid soil. Okay, soil which has more acid, it requires more acidity. So according to the need of the soil, according to the need of the plant, farmer provide either acid rich manure or base rich manure. For rice to grow rice, more acidity is required. Understand? So in this case, pH value is used. Second thing, digestive system. You know, digestive system, sometimes we feel stomach pain, stomach ache. Why? Because over secretion of HCl acid by the stomach causes severe pain. So what do? We may eat base. Eno, you know Eno. It is a base. If you go to doctor prescribe you the medicine which is rich in base, that is milk of magnesia. What is that? Milk of magnesia. What is name? Nothing but base, magnesium hydroxide base. Okay. If you have more stomach pain, the doctor will prescribe this type of medicine which is rich in base. Okay, question can be asked, what is milk of magnesia? To neutralize the acid. It is provided by the doctor. Toothache. You know what causes toothache? From small child onwards you have been studying from 5th to 6th. Bacteria which stay on the food stuck between the teeth and they accumulation of bacteria will be more and they secrete the acid, and what we get severe pain. So what does the doctor prescribe you? A toothpaste which is rich in base. So in this matter it is used, pH value is used. Next one is insect bite. Honeybee, you know, if it bites, wasp, honeybee or wasp, and what else? Some other insect, ant bite. Okay, what we do? We get severe pain. If they bite, we get severe pain because they secrete formic acid. Okay, the other name is methanoic acid. What is that? Formic acid and methanoic acid. Our body is almost neutral. Because of this might the particular area acidity is increased. So we get severe pain. So what does it require? It needs to be neutralized. So we need base. Base has to be applied. Normally people says chunna. Chunna means what is that? Baking soda and chunna. These and all people ask to apply. Okay, that means base. Sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, that is base salt you can apply over there. Okay, so it will be neutralized because of acid. You provide this some base, rub with the base, that means chunna or baking soda. It will be neutralized. Your pain will be, you will be relieved from the pain. Next one is, one plant is there. Plant name is nettle. This is a weed, kind of weed. You can find it in forest. By chance, if you touch with this plant, you get severe pain because it produces formic acid. So what they do, and duck plant is there. Another kind of plant is there. In the forest only, it is base. So immediately you go and rub with the plant. Okay. This is acid, this is a base. This contain base, this contain acid. So you know it will be neutralized. If you by chance if you touch, you get pain, and rub with this. It will be neutralized. Okay children, that's all today's topic. Thank you.